In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailto link in the footer of your Shopify store using the Shopify navigation feature, and the best part is that you won't need to touch any code. This method is straightforward and works with most themes, ensuring that when your users click it, their email client opens seamlessly with your email address ready to go. To get started, head to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side for the Online Store section. Click on it, and then click on Navigation. This is where you'll manage all of the menu links for your store, and we're specifically looking for the footer menu. If your footer uses a different menu name, go ahead and select that one. Next, you'll want to look for an option that says Add Menu Item. This is where you'll actually create the link that will show up in your store's footer. Click on Add Menu Item, which will bring up a new menu creation window. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your menu item. Choose something that's intuitive and inviting, like Email Us or whatever label you think will attract your customers' attention. This is the label that will appear to your audience, so make sure it's compelling. Now it's time to add the actual link that makes this magic happen. In the link field, you'll need to paste this exact format. To your email at example.com. Of course, you'll want to replace your email at example.com with your actual email address. This format tells the browser to open the default mail client when the link is clicked, with your email address pre-filled as the recipient. Once you've entered your email address correctly, click the Add button to finalize your new menu item. Now, don't forget, there's one last crucial step. You need to select Save Menu to ensure all your changes are properly applied and visible on your storefront. After this, it's worth taking a moment to verify that everything has worked as intended. Head over to your actual storefront and scroll down to your footer. You should now see the menu item you just created. Say Email Us, right there in the footer. Click on it to make sure it opens up your email client with your email address already set as the recipient. If everything's in order, you've successfully added a Mailto link without needing any coding skills. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've provided your visitors with a quick and efficient way to contact you directly, all through your Shopify store's footer menu. It's a small touch that can enhance user experience significantly by making communication smooth and easy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.